guys, what's up? I look awful right now because I just woke up, but it's 10 o'clock and I hate waking up late, but I forgot to set an alarm, so yeah, that's just what happened. So I'm gonna go out and get some breakfast, and today I'm going over to Americus's house and we're gonna swim in her pool, so that is gonna be fun. And yeah. Okay, so yesterday I got a donut from Hy-Vee, and I told you guys that I hadn't tried it before, so I'm gonna try it today. So yeah, I'll give you guys a little taste test, and that's what I'm gonna have for breakfast too. So alright guys, I'm gonna try it. It looks like super good. This is what it looks like. It's an old-fashioned donut, so that's why it's not like perfectly round and stuff. So that's good, guys. That's really good.
Ooh, that's not enough.
Bitch.
Say hi.
Bitch.
You wanna go show mommy your big truck?
Hi.
Oh, Ava, come here. 9 views on her first video. 9 views. Oh my god, no joke. Sydney gets like 1,000. Oh god. Ava, come here, come here.
Alright guys, so I'm currently uploading our video, the second vlog on our channel. It's DIY homemade popsicles plus our Starbucks orders. If you haven't seen that, go watch it. And yeah, it's almost done uploading. It's got 7 minutes left. So.
Guys, update time. So I am babysitting my brother. Can you say hi to the vlog again?
Call me within.
Nugget, say like and subscribe. Say like and subscribe.
Hey, Mary.
So
What's your phone number again?
make sure to like and subscribe. Later, Sydney is coming over and we're gonna swim in my pool. And yeah. And make sure to check out my sister and brother's account. They are. Now they're not going to want to subscribe to you. I'm not even going to tell you who they are. Hey y'all, so me and my sister just did a photo shoot. Go check out her channel, Ava and Tower Wheatley. And so we're heading back to my grandma's house because we were at a park. I'm picking Sydney up at 11 and we're going to do some filming. Guys, so me and Sydney are about to go swimming, so we thought we'd show you our swimsuits. So I just have this cover up because you know I'm special, and then I have these bottoms that are high-waisted. They're from Target, go check them out. And then this top from Target too. They don't match, I know, but it's okay.
Okay, well, I thought I would show you my swimsuit too. So I have this top. It's like this, and it's from Aeropostale. And then my bottoms are the same as Americus's. They're high-waisted, and they're from Target, like she said. Hey guys, so right now we're taking a photo shoot. We've got some amazing pictures, so now we're gonna do one.
You guys, so we are currently gonna bike to Dairy Queen.
Hi.
And if you don't know what that is, it's like an ice cream shop. Is that more than?
That's everywhere.
It's everywhere? Okay. I don't know. I don't pay attention to that crap. Girl, this is good lighting.
Oh, that is good. Okay.
Kind of makes my eyes squint, but whatever.
Alright guys, so we're back from Dairy Queen, and now we're gonna redo Americus's room. I'm giving her like a comforter and some stuff to decorate her room, and we're gonna redo it, so yeah. Alright guys, so I just got home from Americus's house, and yeah, we swam for a little bit, we made videos, we did all of that, we went to Dairy Queen. And now, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably edit this vlog because I haven't even started on it and it's almost dinner time, so I should probably start editing. But yeah, I just thought I would
Okay
check
guys, so I'm gonna end this vlog right here.
You're dead.
Because me and my brother are gonna go to sleep. So yeah, see you tomorrow.